Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage awareness mode on your PHILIPS Fidelio L4. And let's get started with open the application. Now right here we have ambient control, so firstly we should enable it, so put your headphones on your head. And now let's go to the awareness mode. Then click on these three dots here, and now we can change transparency. So by default we have a minimum, but we can go to the max. We can also enable volume, vocal focus, and we can go to adaptive, and it will change automatically. After that, click done, and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!